Hello there, today I am going to show you how to deploy an Angular application on AWS S3. First of all, you will need to create a basic Angular application. I will show you how to create a new Angular application in Terminal. For that, you need Angular CLI first. Install Angular CLI using this command. I have already installed it. Now I am going to create a new Angular application using a new command. Then for the deployment, you have to build the Angular application. First navigate to the root directory of your Angular application and run the build command. Now your application is ready to deploy. Then let's go to AWS. First log into the AWS Management Console and navigate to S3 Service. Here I am going to create a new bucket. Click on Create Bucket. Then I will follow the prompt to create the bucket. I will select the AWS region ASN Mumbai. Then I will give my bucket name. For the bucket name, I will give my project name along with my domain name as we are going to use static web hosting. Then keep object ownership as ACLs disabled. Then uncheck, block all public access. Then check the acknowledgement. Keep the rest of the field as it is. Click on Create Bucket. Now my bucket has been created. Then I am going to upload my Angular application to the S3 bucket. Click on Upload. Then click on Add Files and select the files. In my Angular application, I am going to load the index.html file. I am going to upload all the files inside the dist folder. Then click Upload. Now my project is uploading to the bucket. Then I am going to configure bucket properties. Go to the bucket and then Properties. In the bucket properties, go to the static web hosting section. Go to Edit and select Enable. Keep the hosting type as host a static website. Enter index.html as both the index and error document. If you are going to load different pages as index and error, enter the relevant file names there. Then click on Save Changes. Now my application is available on the AWS region-specific website endpoint. Then I am going to set permissions. For that, navigate to the Permissions tab. Now I'm going to add a bucket policy. Click on Edit under the Bucket Policy section. We can generate the bucket policy from the policy generator, or simply type the bucket policy here. I am going to use the policy generator. Select the policy type as S3 bucket policy. For the principal, I will enter *. Select the getObject action under Actions. Then give the Amazon resource name. This should be in the given format. So I will give my ARN as ARN, AWS, S3, then my bucket name and asterisk as the key name. Then click on the Add statement. After that, click on Generate Policy and it will give you the generated statement in a pop-up. Copy that JSON and go back to the AWS Management Console. Paste the copied JSON under Policy and save the changes. Now all my configurations are done, and let's check whether my application is available now. Go back to the bucket and go to the Static Web Hosting section in Properties. Click on the website endpoint and here I have my application available from that endpoint. So, the next step is to configure DNS for my website. I will show you how to configure DNS in my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.